Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to restore contacts on your iPhone when they suddenly disappear or stop showing up. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. After that, select iCloud. Now look for contacts and make sure the switch is turned on. Once enabled, your contacts will sync with iCloud and reappear on your iPhone if they were saved there. If your contacts still do not show up, return to the main settings page. At the bottom, tap on Search, type Mail, and open the Mail app settings. Then choose Accounts. Select the email account you want to check and make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on. This will sync any contacts stored in that account. You can repeat this for all accounts you have added, and that's it. Now you know how to restore your missing contacts on iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.